Today we are going to make this beautiful textured art after a long time. I made a few mistakes here and there. Let's see if you can catch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, here I completely forgot that I had to start the petals below the last curved line. But I just went with the flow. I had to make an extra layer of petals, but I think that's okay. It doesn't look too bad at the end, and I'm happy with the result.